So this is just a really quick tutorial on how to add something to your Dropbox. So in week 2, let's see, we have a theorist project due. So if we go down here to theorist project, anything with a Dropbox has a piece of paper with this little uh, line underneath it. So that means that the assignment is due in that topic. So you go to your theorist paper here, click on it, and then you go to add attachments. So you click on that, and it will say you could drop files here or click below. I just click below, add attachments, and then you will go to upload. Once you click on upload, you will find it on your computer, upload it, and it will show up right down here underneath that says you upload. Let's see if I can, let me just do a quick one here for you. Upload. So, pick it, open it, and there it is right there. So now that is in the Dropbox. Well, it's not in there yet. It will be in there once you hit update and then or submit, I believe it says on yours. It's either submit or update. Click that and then it will be sent to the Dropbox. So that's it for that. Pretty simple.